Hey, my name is Brian Rainey, and I am the current owner of Lucy. A lot of you guys think that she's like this perfect machine. Well, the people that know Lucy, and she's very, very, very far from it. The outside body, really rough. The transmission, when I had it, I want to say third, fourth, and fifth synchros were very crunchy, and I decided to first start with rebuilding the transmission. So also I replaced the clutch. So while I started doing that, I rebuilt the transmission as well. Wait, clutch. Sorry, I replaced the clutch. I rebuilt the transmission too. I had a 2007 Legacy 2.5 GT gear set and case, and the front diff is out of a '07 WRX that has 370 gearing, because the Legacy GT had 390, and I wanted it to match the rear diff because I don't want to buy another diff. But I'm going to be tearing apart that transmission again because the case half isn't very good, so I want to do that. And also I want to add the speedo sensor as well, because the Legacy is off the cogwheel for the ABS speed sensor. And so I'm going to do that. But while I was just like the second day I had the car back on the road, I just came to a realization that Lucy was just leaking a lot, and it bothered me every time I accelerated. Just blew smoke. So it was definitely rings, definitely worn when I took the rings out. You can definitely see that there was a lot of blow by. So hopefully, well, I bought new rings. I got a line hone, grind down the crank, got the head and block decked, and then got all the valves lapped. And so I'm just going to bring this car back to factory. Focus, focus. I want Goosey Boy status on. Here we go. And so now I'm just going to try to rebuild her back to factory. And then I have a standalone ECU. I haven't decided if I want to put it in yet. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm like, this is a learning curve for me too. But the knowledge that I know, I will try to give it to you. And also, I'm going to have a PDF in the description. So if you have an EG33 or in a swapped car, or you want to just rebuild your SVX engine, more than welcome to attempt this yourself. And you can watch my successes, or you can watch my failures. I'm going to take my time with this build because I feel like I have a bug eye that I put a 6-cylinder in, and I feel like I kind of rushed that because one, I was young and I wanted stuff now, and then two, well, that was really the main reason. So I just want to do this car right, because this car's been tossed around so much and neglected after like the person that made Lucy Lucy. So I just want to make Lucy respectable. Like, people see her on the internet and think, wow, she's a cool car. In real life, she's like, wow, that's rough. So hopefully, my goal is to get this car done before street car takeover. I have a couple friends that have 90 Subarus too, so we're going to try to go in Indianapolis around that time. So hopefully I get the car done before then. But this is just more the intro video, so just stay tuned if you want to watch me do stupid stuff.